Welcome to Owl Really. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of my booth, a quick little tour. Here is an awesome vintage file cabinet, very rustic, very cute and petite, just love it. This is my kids section here. I have various items, including a really cute little school chair, some paper dolls, some children's books. I could not resist a New Kids on the Block puzzle. I have a really cool 45 player for children, a Viewmaster with lots of awesome historical slides, some more storybooks, a creepy doll, a Winnie the Pooh chalkboard, cute little needlepoint up there. Everyone needs an accordion hanging thingy. Next we move into the pink department. Self-explanatory, but a really cool old clock right there. Mushroom canister. And we're going to move into the orange and green department. Some strawberries. Some of my cool luggage and accessories. You can see we have ties for the men. We have some different luggage, scarves, lots of cute clutches, all your accessory needs. Cool lamp. We have a picnic basket, vintage clock, lots of Afghans. That's my #1 thing that I like to buy. I haven't sold one yet, hopefully as it gets cooler. Cool vintage lamps and clock. Here is a manual typewriter. And you can see there are owls just everywhere. Obviously owls are very important to Owl Really. Have a cool globe and a kitchen chair, party perk, more luggage, letter flashcards, and bingo cards in cool boxes. Really awesome chip and dip on a Lazy Susan. We have a wall of artwork and clocks and more owls, of course. Panning down, we have doodads, knickknacks, some random stuff, cute little ottoman here, some crewel work that you could do, vintage crafts, very popular, a fun owl clock, architectural detail, another really cute little file cabinet, some dirt on the floor from other booths, and here it is, Owl Really. Thank you for watching and swinging by. Come shop at the Tennessee Antique Mall, 654 Wedgewood Avenue, Nashville, Tennessee.